Hi guys, I'm so excited because something just came in the mail that I ordered. People always ask me where I get my booties, and I get them from Freebird. It's by Steve Madden. I think I got my first pair like 5 years ago and I fell in love with them. So I usually get a pair every year, and I usually do the booties, and they will usually run specials. It's Freebird. You can follow them on Instagram and they'll let you know when they're running a sale, and they do it quite often actually, but you can get 20% off. So I decided to get a full pair of boots because I have zero. I don't have any boots. I got some. They just got here. Look at these. They're over the knee. I decided to be really daring. I love them. It has a smaller heel. I usually wear like a bigger heel than that. I have really short legs. I am like 5'5.5", but I have extremely short legs and a long torso. So that's why I always like to wear heels. And I just feel like it's easier to wear boots with heels. So it has a zipper on the side here. Let's try them on. I'm really excited. I did buy a pair of over the knee boots last year, and they were like skinnier, and I hated them. I took them back because if you have short legs, like I have a short thigh, and I just felt like it made that like more noticeable or something. Those are cute. I don't know if I would wear these pants. I don't know, you guys let me know. What do you think about this whole thing? See, I just have a really short thigh. So they're loose around like the calf. And I know that that's like a complaint a lot of women have about tall boots, is that the calf can be so small. What do you think? I don't know why these kind of boots stress me out. Go look at them in the mirror. I also have something on my lens and I cannot get it off. I'm gonna try harder. My family was sleepy. Whoa, let's see those moves again. Let's see it, Gage. Whoa. How was your day?
Good.
Good. We all woke up a little late today. Gage usually always wakes up without an alarm.
Yeah, I was setting one, but I knew that I set one, so I wasn't waking up.
Yeah.
But
that's okay.
it did go off.
That's okay. Gage wasn't late. Braylee was a couple minutes late, but no big deal. I made pumpkin cookies again for like the millionth time. I need to stop because I eat them all. This is a 1 spice cake mix, 1 can of pumpkin, some chocolate chips, and you just put them in the oven on 350 for, I would say, about 15 minutes. I always, like, no matter what, make mine a little bit bigger. So I usually start checking them at 15. If you make them small, which you probably, I'm not going to say you should, because I will never, but they could cook for in 13 minutes. But mine normally cook 15 to 20. What?
Can you get my iPod and try and fix it?
Gage broke his, well, did you break it at all, or did just Winston? Winston destroyed Gage's iPod. You know what though? I have an idea of what I'm gonna do with my kids as far as chores goes. Where's my phone? This is a mess. Do you have my phone? No. So much dancing at all times. Okay, I just have to find my phone. Is it in my pocket now? So many thoughts are going through my head. A little Halloween going on here. I can't find any of my old decorations except for like these are old, and that's all up here. So I had to go to Hobby Lobby and get a few things, and I was kind of bummed. But how cute is this garland? This is from Pearl and Jane on Etsy. So adorable. And she also has like different ones for Christmas and Easter and Valentine's Day, but I love that. I love the pink, so then I got a pink sparkly pumpkin.
This is what happened.
All right, let's go. Holy moly.
There's 2 black dots.
I found your phone, I have it. Trouble. Okay, let's go. Braylee is like, not messing around today. I'm trying to upload a video. Little arts and crafts happening while we wait for Braylee to get done with cheer. We're just doing a few things before we go and pick her up. Winston, as you can see, is doing arts and crafts. Layla too, with her little tape down here. You doing what brother's doing? Winston had a bunch of homework and stuff from school that he's working on, huh? Did you decide to put it on the wall? Yeah. I love it. And we're watching Super Monsters. This is such a cute show on Netflix. My kids have loved it, and it's really fun for this time of year. A few years ago, I remember seeing on Pinterest people making big long boards with like clips. so that you can clip all of your kids' artwork. And I'm thinking that I should make one so that, you know, I honestly don't mind when they do stuff like this, when they like tape things, but it might just be a little bit easier if we had a board and you could just clip it to it. What do you think about that? What if we made a big board with clips?
Hey, that's my nose, no.
What happened? Did you tell them? What'd you do?
I was trying to the staple and I fell and hit my head.
He was sitting on Braylee's skateboard and it flipped and hit him in the eye. Right before that, he tripped, let's see your forehead, and bonked his head on the basketball hoop and had a giant goose egg. So it was a rough night, huh?
But I had a good day.
You had a good day?
Right now.
Good, that's a good boy. Hey, Layla. Layla.
You mean. Look at me.
Layla. She's kind of mean. Hey, Layla. No more screaming. I'm trying to get the house cleaned up. And can we just take a moment and thank Magic Erasers? Layla got a hold of a pen and colored on my cabinets. And I couldn't get it off, obviously. And the Magic Eraser took it right off, no problem. So now I'm just like cleaning my cabinets. I'm gonna find you something besides a highlighter. Hold on. Okay, we got some crayons instead of highlighters. Winston's been coloring with highlighters, and so naturally Layla wants to, but I found some crayons. Are you gonna color? You color this. Good job.
Hey, look at these.
Oh, they are awesome. I agree. Very awesome. I can't come up here. Doggy pile and Winston's gross. Just farted. Hi, Sissy. Come here. Look at this scrunchie. It's a Brooklyn and Bailey scrunchie. Is that adorable? Come here. Oh, man. How does he smell, though? So disgusting. All right, well, it is bedtime, so we're all gonna give kisses and go to bed. I'm tired. Oh, lots of kisses. You're so sweet. Layla's, she's rubbing my back.
She's so mean.
Cute.
She's mean to me.
She is kind of mean too.
Yeah.
Layla's sweet and sour. She's a Sour Patch Kid. Okay, you guys ready for bed?
Ready?
So it's such a disaster up here, if you're wondering. Whoa.
This is a party zone.
It's a party zone, that's right. Okay, watching, we're watching. Was that a pop of some sort? What was it? Your knee? Oh man. Dang it, that went blurry. Try and break. Oh man. Sorry about the blurriness. I don't know why this camera goes blurry.
Ready for this?
Hold on.
How do you do like? You ready?
Okay. Good work. Okay, can everyone say good night? Whoa.
Good night. Bam.
Oh. Good night. Good night. Hope you all had a good day. Good night. Good night.
Good night. No, it's like this.